everyone! So yesterday was my birthday, and what I'm about to tell you in this video was my birthday present to myself. I'm so excited for it. Some of you probably know this from my previous videos, but let me tell once and for all that I used to be a mess when it comes to time management and planning. I used to be known for being late. I was constantly sleeping, in. I had problems with my employer when I was still working. It was crazy. I was convinced that there was something wrong with me, that I couldn't sleep, I couldn't wake up, I couldn't manage my time. I wanted to do so many things with my life, yet I didn't have the time and I didn't know how to use it. And I was also very stressed about it, I was bad at it, I wasn't able to manage stuff, and I was really upset about that fact too. And that's why actually I got into time management and learned a lot about it to fix my problem when it comes to, being late and not being able to do anything and just wasting my life. We all have one life to live. And here are some weird numbers. Just because I'm a scientist, we only have 24 hours in a day, 168 hours in a week. These probably you knew. But a number that you probably didn't know is that an average human has 4,732 weeks in a life. That's not a lot. Time is a limited resource. You can never replace it. So gotta make the most of it, right? But the thing is, with planning and procrastination and time management and productivity and distraction and motivation and all of that stuff, it is a very complex matter. There are so many techniques, so many ways to look at it, and I don't think anybody has the time, ironically, to create a system that works. And that is why it is my absolute pleasure to announce to you that I finally have my first online course out. Yay! I created a course on WOW, Week of Winning. This is a perfect system, very easy to use, very easy to implement. Actually, it takes the course time and then you can start applying it immediately, and it will help you get the most out of your weeks, hence your months, hence your years, hence your life. I'm so happy about this. And obviously, with working from home, this was much needed. So again, my birthday present to me and to you. In this course, we have the current life analysis part, where you can understand what you're doing with your time right now. If you're wasting any, if you have spare to add something to your life, or if you're just maxed out, then you might want to make peace with that fact and stop stressing out about the things that you wish you could, but you don't have the time to. But looking at this life analysis, you will definitely make better use of your time. I can promise you that. You will also be designing your WOW, your week of winning. This design will finally help you do the things that you want to be doing. Make the time for the most important things to you. It will definitely help you eliminate stress. It will definitely help you beat procrastination. It will definitely help you get the most out of your life. Did I say that already? This is it, you guys. And here is the very, very cool part. I am giving a special deal to my online family. For the first 20 people, the WOW course is not going to be priced at $47, which is the usual price. It's going to be $30 only. I know, right? And this, by the way, is going to be a solution for the rest of your life. Did I say that already? So that's it. I don't want to take more of your time because we all know how important it is. I just wanted to come here and tell you about it and give you this special gift. I hope you're excited about it. I hope that you'll take advantage of this offer, and I will see you next Monday, if not earlier, with another video on success, productivity, time management, or motivation. Until then, take care. Bye.